What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the Thai Live channel. Back again with another vlog. Today is July 3rd. Very special day for me, man. It's the day when I lost my dad 15 years ago. And to be honest with you, I haven't visited his grave for the longest time, and I don't know why. I mean, I still hold a lot of things back, and but now that my kids are older, I want to take them to visit where he is at, you know. And after that, we're gonna come visit my mom's house, because around this time, you know, we gotta give her some comfort, you know, family get together, and I want to share all of that with you guys today. How are you guys feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah, are you guys ready to go, you know, see your grandpa?
Yeah, but I might cry.
You really gonna cry?
Baby.
It's okay, baby. All right, guys, follow us and tag along. Let's go. The way my dad passed away is he died from cancer. You know, he had multiple myeloma. That's like a bone marrow and blood cancer. But the sad part is, you know, prior to finding out that he had cancer, is, you know, he was living with one kidney. I mean, when we came to America, he was diagnosed with like a big kidney stone, and they couldn't even take the kidney stone out. So they ended up removing the kidney, and, you know, he had a hard job. He was a gardener, and, you know, imagine working with one kidney, doing heavy duty works, you know, and he was also a diabetic. I mean, the guy had a lot of illness, and finally, you know, when he got to 64 or 63, our family was like, "Hey, Dad, why don't you just retire? You know, we'll take care of you." So he finally give in. You know, he retired, but then finally, all of a sudden, his chest was hurting badly, and then took him to the hospital. They, you know, did some testing on the bone marrow, and then they gave him like 6 months. Yeah. And then at that moment, we just say, "Hey, why don't you just try chemo and see if you can go through it?" But I can tell you one thing: sometimes chemo just kills you a little bit faster if you don't have the energy. You know what I mean? But that's pretty much what happened. It just, today's kind of harsh because, you know, I remember the day when he passed away. I was working, right, and my friend, they were having like a pre 4th of July party, and at that time I was around like 25 years old, and in my heart I didn't want it to go. I didn't want it to go. I just wanted to go home and visit my dad, because the last few days before July 3rd, he was looking really weak, you know, and something was telling me like I should not go to this party, but something like was telling me that all day. But I went anyways, because I picked fun over family at that moment. So, you know, I was at the party. I didn't really enjoy anything, you know. It was just another party, you know, it's just another one. And then I got a phone call from my mom, and she said, Min, your dad just passed away." And that was it, y'all. That's the first person that ever passed away in my life. And I could have been home, but I didn't. So, but you know what? That's just a story I want to share with you guys. But bottom line is that I'm better today. I think, you know, my dad's gonna be proud of me having 3 beautiful kids, raising a good family, you know, and just doing what I love to do, making content, sharing my thoughts, sharing the world, my life story. And now you guys are listening to what do you think, Colin? Let me hold this camera real quick for you.
What do you think of what?
What do you think about visiting your grandpa?
I'll feel happy because this is my first time visiting him.
What do you think about the story that I just told you?
I think it was emotional.
Yeah?
And I think I'm really happy to
11 years old?
Yeah. And Daddy,
Yeah.
I only like blood and water.
Okay, are you still thinking about the blood?
Yeah.
Oh, poor baby. I love you.
I thought she had the blood, but she didn't.
I love you.
I love you too.
We are about to exit right now. And the thing is about this cemetery place, it's in a little rough area. And yeah, it's right by the zoo. It's a little bit rough. I mean, sometimes you make the wrong turn, you might see a couple walkers. But it's 109 right now. And we won't see any type of walkers around this kind of heat. I mean, I wouldn't. The road.
The abandoned train track with an abandoned train right there.
This is where you give respect, kids. I need you guys to be respectful, okay?
Okay.
I need you guys to not run around. It's not a park. I need you guys to walk normal, okay?
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
Colin, Kaylin Carter.
Yeah.
This part under the shade.
Daddy.
You know, I haven't been here for a while, so I'm not sure if this is the location or not. But
I feel like I know this place.
so early we were trying to look for some flower, but we couldn't find a flower shop around the memorial. But we brought some incense, you know. So let's go ahead and walk to the area where my dad is at, and we have the kids.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, guys.
Kaylin's tearing up.
Why are you tearing up, Kaylin? Tell me. Are you sad?
I'm not tearing up. Guys, more
Yeah.
people.
Come here, guys. Look. That's your grandpa. Robert Good. Hi. Colin? Oh, sorry about that.
I didn't light it up.
Right. Let's go ahead and put it right here. This is the perfect spot.
My grandpa, I miss you. You haven't even saw him in your life, but you can miss him.
Yeah, you can miss him. Do you have anything to share with him, Colin?
I hope I'll make it onto Team USA for karate.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Is that your goal?
Mhm.
Oh.
I hope I make it to team. Well, I'm already on team, but I hope when I'm older, you could cheer for me enough that I get to try out for the Olympics.
Oh.
Carter, do you have any? I think
Yeah, you're very close. All right, let's go, guys. Kaylin, let's go.
Can he see us?
Yep, let's go. His spirit can see you.
And
Guys, so we are heading to Grandma's house right now for our father's death anniversary. Usually around July 3rd, we always visit her. Everybody's gonna show up, mostly my family members, you know, brothers, sisters. So you guys gonna see a little glimpse of my family. And do you guys like to go to Manoy's house?
welcome everybody to the Thailand. Now you already saw that we went to
Carter, stop.
grandpa's grave. So now we're gonna go to our grandma's house, which is his wife, to go celebrate and do some fireworks. And all these houses have a lot of plants.
Yeah, no kidding. It's so green.
All right, we're here. All right. So we're at my mom's house right now, guys.
Yay.
So this is the house right there. That's the house that, you know, we grew up. That was the house that they were very happy. My parents, when they bought this house, it was like their dream house.
Wait.
And we lived here for a long time.
Love.
All right, let's go.
Love.
Alright. What's up?
Hello.
Huh? You're gonna know this about my fans that they tend to yell when they talk. Lên nó đau đường. Anh không? Chơi vui không?
Ôi cho trận bắn
Alright,
rồi
let's
đó.
go. Anh gì? Bữa hả? Hai khỏe.
Đây bờ.
Mấy lâu không gặp, bao lâu?
Hey, see Long, look at the camera. You know what's up.
Mấy chục năm rồi ha, mấy chục năm.
Chở ăn cái này mạng đi
Bạn luôn.
đi ăn mạng á.
Đến này.
What's this? Fish, egg, cá.
I don't know what that is.
Mm.
Your favorite eggplant.
Eggplant. That's my favorite salad.
It's all going in the heart too.
Bitter melon. All what? Vegan,
Cho
huh?
anh đi chè đi.
Pretty good.
Cái cơm có, cơm ăn đi. Cơm nè.
Đi chơi vô không?
Vui.
Mình đẹp không? Đẹp không?
Này con pizza nè.
Thuyền đẹp không?
Thuyền đẹp nên đi đi.
Bự
Hai
không?
ba đi đi.
Bự không?
Đấy,
Bự không?
bự. Hai đứa đi đi. Không sao. Mà con
Mà có đáng không?
rong đó.
Rồi nhanh nhanh nó đi về nó không qua lại nữa.
Mà
Biết nữa hả? Ở.
biết thích lắm tại vì
Nó ở Mỹ 2 năm cho nó về luôn
Chơi nhiều
nó
lắm.
không qua nữa. Cái chiếc mà mẹ hôm nay đi.
Ồ vậy hả? Ủa? Dạ thế ai?
Mà tướng này được chứ không đầu á.
Biết cái gì?
Biết cái gì của nó luôn á. Không có gì đó.
Ai kêu đâu qua cầm. Đưa có cái thanh gì không?
Why? Just rub her.
Dễ thương hả? Mà.
Bây giờ đang nói vậy.
Cái đợt cô đầu có mất cái là
Qua đây làm công việc.
tàu là đi
Wow, cái này nó giống như là cá thì cũng á ha, mà nó đồ chay. Nhưng mà cái món. Bơi có thằng gái gì không?
Có hai đứa con rồi mà. Con bằng lớn hơn
Con đâu có biết đâu hả? Mình mới hỏi có cái giờ rồi hả? Cưới lâu chưa?
Hai đứa con rồi.
hai đứa con lớn hơn con lên mà.
Đứa 9 tuổi đi 3 tuổi.
Dễ thương lắm. Lên
Cái
đây.
người là bằng con đầu mình.
Này có hình nè. Vừa rồi về đi ăn nó ngồi đây là.
Có một lần á, mình về Đà Nẵng mình có ghé nhà bơ. Mà cái đó lần đầu á, lần đầu mình về Việt Nam mình hỏi ní chở tới nhà anh bơ. Có
Con thấy bơi ở đó.
có mà ngồi trên cát đó rồi. How old do you think she look? This is the oldest sister. She look
How old I look?
she look 45. She
How
look
old I look?
40.
How old I look? Okay, Daddy is 41.
I
No,
know how old
40.
you are already. I cannot lie.
You
But how about you guys? How old you guys think?
Yeah.
41.
Oh, he's 41? Okay, can you guess how we meet?
No,
Yeah,
she said 41 for you.
Oh, 41 that Daddy.
Wait.
For
no.
you.
Wait, no. I'm guessing you're 46.
You have to know like I'm oldest.
Wait, what about you? What's your guess?
What you get? What you get? What you get? What you get?
49.
Huh?
45.
What are you video talking about?
By the way,
It was like this
It's-
skit where like
it's
I'm
her
a parent,
and
like I'm a
auntie,
kid
yeah.
and I walk here by myself without a parent.
Oh.
And then I gave him too much money and then I didn't accept the tip.
You did then him
So,
So how much is this? So how much has it been? 15. You gave him $40. So you gave him all
But it was just for his skit, so it was his money. So we pretended like it's my money and then I gave it to him.
How many people view your video?
Một bình cá.
Couple million? No. Couple thousand? Hello, how old are you?
50. Hey, that's all you ask? Come on,
What's
ask
your
me.
name? What's your name?
You already know my name.
No! For the YouTube video. Tell them your name.
My name is Brent.
What's your last name?
Same as her last name.
Okay, what's my last name?
What is your last name?
No, tell it to the scam.
Hi, Thai.
All right, guys. So it's karaoke time. They are singing loud. Come on. What song you want to sing, bro?
Huh?
What song you gonna sing?
I don't know.
Let me press it for you. I haven't heard you sing.
I don't know.
I haven't. I'm gonna have.
lấy muỗng gà nó luôn cho mình á. Hả? Không biết là lấy nước ngọt. Mà nó bưng lộn á.
So this is how we celebrate July 3rd on our father's death anniversary. We spend time with our mom. Oh, you know there's gonna be more. That can't be it. That can't be it. Really, that's it?
That's it.
All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Have a good one.